I'm working with Continental to show how easy it is to prevent blowouts. They're usually caused when a tyre is damaged by hitting a pothole, through general wear and tear, or when you drive over undesirable objects like those, screws or nails. It takes seconds to inspect a tyre. Now, first thing you want to do is check the sidewall, this portion of the tyre, and you want to be looking for things like lumps. If there's a lump here, it suggests that you've gone down a pothole and the structure of the tyre itself has failed. Then you want to come onto the main face of the tyre here. You want to look for foreign objects like these bad boys, screws, nails, sharp bits of stone, glass, stuck in here. Oh, one more thing. Don't forget to check the inside of your tyre tread as well as the outside, because it's just as likely to get damaged.